Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how I paint these quick monster or dino eyes. Using green face paint, I'm going to draw the shape of each monster eye on top of the brow bone areas. Next, I've loaded black for line work and details. I'm going to use some thin to thick to thin line work on the inner parts of the monster eyes to give them dimension. I'll be using a beige or sand color for the horns. Then brown for details and outlining. Now white to highlight my horns. And the monster brows. As a finishing option, I decided to add some green and black Starblends to my eyes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this design. See you next time.